trying to get all our systems on TranZact. So from sending to the quotation till the time we are able to deliver the product and commission it. We found TranZact to be more suitable to the type of business that we are in. So we saw that it's something that it will be easier to incorporate into our current function. Since we found TranZact, until now we are using it because we feel it is we will be able to adapt it. So it will take some time, but we will be gradually able to move forward to it. And we never search for any other software for that, so I think it should be there here. So we work with the manufacturing units, and every manufacturing unit need heat or steam for some of their processes. Right? For example, one of our customers is Britannia, so they make biscuits, so they need heat for that. Similarly, every industry, whether it's pharma, food, or whatever they make, they need heat or steam for some of their processes. And for that, they have industrial boilers. So what we do is, we convert these manufacturing units to greenfield, which is biomass fuel. We convert oil-fired, gas-fired boilers to biomass through our systems. Where we needed TranZact for, so we don't have our own manufacturing right now. We rely on third-party manufacturing. So as we scaled, as the number of equipment grew, since none of us had prior this experience in managing the inventory as well as the production. So we started having accountability issues. We were not able to track our inventories. Something was shown on the accounts and the actual figure was totally different. It was impossible to track where the movement actually happened. So so to get that, to streamline that, we basically started looking for a software when we came across TranZact. So that's what we are using. We are trying to get all our systems on TranZact. So from sending to the quotation till the time we are able to deliver the product and commission it, we are trying to incorporate TranZact in those processes specifically. We started looking for different softwares. We booked a trial for a few of those. I think 3 or 4 we tried. We found TranZact to be more suitable to the type of business that we are in. So we saw that it's something that will be easier to incorporate into our current functioning, how we function and how our structure is right now. It was quite similar to that. So that's why we shifted to that right now. So this year we did a turnover of 45 CR, and next year we are planning to touch 105. So for that, we know that we have to get our processes streamlined for that matter. And it will be impossible to hit that number if we don't have these processes and lines. A lot of time it happens, and even our company, it was more people-oriented approach where a single person was having the information about how the project is going, and other team may be focused on their work, and they may not be able to track the progress of the project. And sometimes it get delayed due to that. So we want to move away from that. We want to create processes so that we are able to deliver the projects on time. And for that, it is important for us to track the state of the project that it is in right now, and so that the right person can take the right action at the right time for meeting the deadlines. So we were struggling with meeting the deadlines earlier. So earlier, almost all the projects used to get delayed. I'll be honest with that. So all the projects used to get delayed because we did not have processes right now. We suffered a huge loss on that because probably people who were responsible for managing that, they sold it on cash to themselves, and we were not able to track it. So that's something that we want to eliminate, and that's why we want to create a central inventory where we can track how everything is moving. So it's like whatever we need, we are able to get that. Since we are directly not manufacturing, so how do we manage that part? How do we create the BOM and then the production process for management? That is something that we are still learning. But I think that should be manageable. Since we found TranZact, until now we are using it because we feel it is we will be able to adapt it. So it will take some time, but we will be gradually able to move forward to it. And we never search for any other software for that, so I think it should be there. TranZact is helping us to improve on few of the very critical parts of our business and helping us to grow and creating the systems that we want